Understanding to cut no ice, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore what it means when someone says a thing or person cuts no ice. This phrase might sound strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in conversation. In this section, we'll delve into the historical background of the phrase, to cut no ice. It's believed to have originated from the 19th century, when ice cutting was a common practice. We'll see how this literal action translated into a metaphorical expression in the English language. Here, we'll break down what the idiom, to cut no ice, actually means. It's used to indicate that something is ineffective or fails to make an impression. For example, if someone's excuses don't affect your decision, you might say their excuses cut no ice with you. In this part of the video, we'll go through various examples to show how to cut no ice can be used in different contexts. We'll look at sentences from casual conversations, professional settings, and literature to see how versatile this idiom can be. Idioms are a colorful part of the English language. Here, we'll introduce a few similar idioms like, to no avail, fall on deaf ears, and hold no water, explaining how each is similar yet distinct from, to cut no ice. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, to cut no ice. We hope you now feel comfortable using this idiom in your own conversations and can appreciate the rich tapestry of English idiomatic expressions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting English language topics in our future videos.